Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera unblock access on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device. In several Pixel users facing the issue, when we open the camera, we can see this problem. Unblock the device camera. This unblock access for all apps and service allow you to use camera on your device. So you can quickly enable it by tap on the unblock option on your device. But after apply to unblock, if you can't still access the camera, you need to follow these settings on your device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on the security and privacy option. Tap on it. Again scroll down and here you can find the option privacy control. Tap on the privacy control in the privacy section. Now here you can see the control camera access and microphone access. Make sure select the both on your device to fix the camera and microphone access issue or problem on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other Android device or Samsung devices. So make sure both option is enabled on your device. You can also quickly enable it by quick setting tiles. Just swipe down the notification panel twice on your Pixel device or any other Android device and search for the camera access and microphone access here. Just tap on it to block like this. This will block the camera and microphone access. To unblock the camera and microphone access, tap on it again on your device. So quite easy to fix the camera and microphone access on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Android or Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.